if you were watching this video right now and you're in crypto, first off, you're gonna make so much money, dude. Like, it's kind of crazy. I just want to talk because this is a crazy point of time that we're sitting in. People are freaking out. Like, people that have never been in a bear market before or never seen real red before, they've only been in an up market, you know what I mean? They're freaking out. They don't know how to handle some of these price actions where it's gone down a couple percent, it's going up a couple percent, it's going down a couple percent. Like, they're just losing their minds. And I want to make this video because I believe if you're sitting here right now, you are going to become an absolute fucking millionaire in the next year in crypto. You know why? There's about to be so many opportunities. Let me tell you what's about to happen. First off, we are at lows that we haven't seen in like the last 100 days. It's been literally a chop fest where we've gone down, we've gone back up, we've gone down, we've gone back up. And I keep telling you guys that the bottom's in. Okay, like, we are not going to go much lower. I know it's an unpopular opinion. I know a lot of people don't think that. I know a lot of people think that everything's kind of cooked. And I understand what you're saying. Like, I get like your frame of mindset, but I just don't think the charts agree with you. And if you've been on my app Market Mirror, which is on iOS and Android, I show you everything. I give you everything that I see at the tip of my fingers. And you can have it all on your phone. And all the data does point towards up. There's nothing that screams to me that everything is just absolutely cooked. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I feel like there's a lot of people that are watching this that are kind of in a dark spot. You may not know what to do. You just want to make it out. You just want to make some money. Crypto seems like that out to you. You're really passionate about it like I am. And all I'm saying is just hang in a little bit longer, dude. We are almost there, bro. Like, I understand people lose hype and lose motivation to trade every day when the market's so shit. But you guys got to remember, like, this stuff can flip on a dime. That's the crazy thing about crypto is one day you could literally be in the shitter, and then the next week, the sentiment across everything is completely different. I've seen it time and time again, and really what it comes down to is just pure manipulation and exit liquidity. Like, they want you to feel despair. They want you to feel like there's no way out. They want you to sell their bags and, you know, take stupid ass trades, because at the end of the day, statistically, you're most likely going to miss out on the bottom. And by the time we're at all-time highs, you're going to be lining up out the door to buy all of your favorite cryptos. And that's what the big dogs understand. They know better than anyone else that that's how they get you every single time. Sell when others are greedy, buy when others are fearful. Whenever we're here on the fear and greed chart on the Market Mirror app, you see, like, whenever we're in the red, I'm telling you, textbook bottom, textbook fucking bottom. By far one of the best indicators you can have on the market. We take data from so many points, and whenever we're in the green, it's time to sell. It literally, statistically, it is time to sell. So I don't know, if you're sitting here in crypto and you really have no idea what's going on and you're kind of getting frustrated with the endless just chop back and forth, it's going on like 139 days of red. I just want to make this video because I understand. I really do. I understand the frustration. I understand that it takes a lot of fucking balls to have patience and buy when everybody's telling you everything's cooked, and especially in the face of this bullshit war that we're in and all the shit that's happening with Donald Trump. I understand, but you guys got to also understand as well, there's a flip side to that coin. These motherfuckers are literally pumping and dumping stocks every single day. I just do not see a reality where these 4 years past of Donald Trump and crypto is just absolutely in the shitter for the whole time. That would be baffling, bro. Fucking baffling. And what's so crazy to me is that stuff like Iran and the tariffs and all this other shit, it doesn't affect the stock market at all. If you really think about it, like, stock market's in all-time highs, all-time highs, all-time highs, but it affects crypto more than anything. I just think it's pure manipulation. And I also think that there's just a lot of stuff in limbo pending this Clarity Act. So I guess we'll see. Literally, we'll just have to wait and see what happens, but keep the faith. I'm telling you, things will get better soon. And I am more confident than ever that we are near a bottom, and you should definitely not be selling here. Again, that's just my opinion. You can see something different, but the charts and everything that I've looked at over the last 6 years of doing this stuff publicly point me to one thing, and that being that this is the bottom. If you want to see all the data and follow all the whales I just showed you, be on Market Mirror. We have so much education and stuff there as well. If you want to see all the plays, I'll post them on the IG. But yeah, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.